Which statement is true about the set N and Q? N is equal to Q, Q contain in N contain in Q, none of these. The correct answer is the set of natural numbers is a subset of set of rational numbers. Therefore, N is a subset of Q is the correct answer. The infimum of the set of integers is minus infinity, infinity, minus 100, 10. The correct answer is minus infinity because when the set has no lower bound, then infimum of that set will be equal to minus infinity. Which set is dense in real numbers? By the rational density theorem, Q is dense in R, or R is the closure of Q. Therefore, the set of rational number is the correct answer. The supremum of the set B, P belongs to Q such that P square is less than 3 is when you will solve P square is less than 3, you will get P is less than plus minus square root 3. It means that P is greater than minus square root 3 and less than plus square root 3. Least upper bound square root 3 is the correct answer, which is the supremum. Which one is irrational number? Pi is the irrational number here. The supremum of the set E2 is 5, 1, 7, 4. As E2 is a bounded set between 0 and 1 and its least upper bound is 1, hence the supremum of E2 is equal to 1. The infimum of the set E2 is 0, 1, 7, 4. Here the correct answer is 0 because E2 is a bounded set between 0 and 1, and here greatest lower bound of the set E2 is equal to 0. Therefore, infimum of E2 is equal to 0. What is the union of set of rational numbers and set of irrational numbers? The correct answer is option C. Set of real numbers is the union of set of rational numbers and set of irrational numbers. 4 into square root 10 is an irrational number. Option B is correct answer. Every Cauchy sequence has a convergent subsequence, increasing subsequence, decreasing subsequence, positive subsequence. As by the theorem we know that every bounded sequence has a convergent subsequence. By the theorem we know that every Cauchy sequence is bounded. Therefore, every Cauchy sequence has a convergent subsequence because every Cauchy sequence is bounded. Which statement is true? Here the option C is correct answer. Both set of even numbers and set of odd numbers are countable. The limit of sequence is 1, 4, 3, 2. The correct answer is the limit of the sequence is 1 because the limit of the sequence is unique. Which one of the following is a convergent sequence? Option A 2 to the raised power n, option B 1 over 3 whole to the raised power n, option C 3 to the raised power n, option D 4 to the raised power n. The correct answer is option B, because limit n approaches to infinity to the nth term of the sequence is equal to 0. The sequence Sn, whose nth term is 1 plus minus 1 to the raised power n, converges to 0, converges to 2, oscillates or divergent. Here the sequence has the values 0 2 0 2 up to so on. Therefore this is an oscillating sequence. The correct answer is option C, oscillates. The number of terms of a sequence is always finite, infinite, bounded, none of these. The correct answer is a sequence has infinite number of terms.